Hey Praisers and Savers, I'm not at my house and I don't have my usual equipment, so this video is a little dark, that's okay, but I just received a 13 pounds of coupons in this box. 13 pounds of coupons in this box from someone in my family, and she says this is from her friend. Her friend passed away and her friend loved a coupon, and so whenever her friend passed away, she loved a coupon. I guess she got the coupons and sent them to me. So it was really nice of this person in my family to think about me when her friend passed away. So I'm excited because she says there are some really cool coupons in this box, and 13 pounds to mail them sounds insane. All right. So, oh my gosh, are they already cut up? I think these coupons are already cut. All right, let's check these out. I don't even know what year these coupons are from. These coupons don't have expiration dates. This is all medicine. It's all labeled. Every bag has a label in it. And there are all these medicines in here. Oh my gosh. All right, let me find a coupon that's relevant. Oh my gosh. Look at this coupon. There is a barcode on it, and it's for Benadryl. Is there no expiration date? Look at that. No expiration date for $1 off any Benadryl. And there's a barcode on it. It's insane! Oh my gosh. That's a really good coupon. I don't even know what year these are. You know, I'm sure there's plenty of things in here. Wow. Hold on, I'm finding stuff. I'm like looking. Some stuff in here I've never even heard of. This is cool. Tums, right? We can use Tums. $1 off Tums. No expiration date. If I was couponing back when these coupons came out without expiration dates, they would be in so much trouble. There's a lot of 25 cents coupons I'm seeing. Come look at these coupons. There's no dates on these. Look at this. No expiration date on these coupons.
Then you can use them whenever?
Whenever I want. This is crazy.
That's cool. Hello.
So, let me see what's in here. So, this is, and they're all cut up too. Wow, I'm going to really cherish these coupons. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
And it's good for you.
Oh, it's good for me?
Who gave you these?
Do you, you know Mark's sister? I don't know if you know her. Her name's Rebecca.
No.
She sent me these, and there are tons and tons. Look, Hannah! Oh my gosh, look at this! Cinnamon Toast Crunch! Cinnamon Toast Crunch! 25 cents off Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Her favorite cereal, no expiration date. That is insane. Let me see if it has a barcode on it. It has a barcode. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see if the barcode works. This is crazy, Hannah.
I'll buy. It just fell on me.
This is amazing.
Yeah,
Like, I'm sure there's tons of stuff in here that don't even, like, exist anymore. Golden Grams, look, Hannah, look. All these coupons are for cereal, and there's no expiration. Oh my gosh, look. Golden Grams, 50 cents, no expiration date. Look at this. This is Golden Grams, no expiration date, 50 cents off. And that's a really good coupon even today. Twix, 50 cents off.
Tricks. I kind of like that cereal.
I do love this cereal. Let's see. These are crazy total.
And we can also give people stuff
that we don't need. There's so many cool coupons in here.
Yes.
I wonder if this is all cereal and like breakfast stuff. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. And there are coupons from all things. Like, she's got coupons in here from, like, the newspaper. Or she's cut off from, like a box. Like, the top of the box. You know how sometimes they would do that? This is a coupon that does not have a barcode on it. I wouldn't be able to use this. This is from the newspaper. And, like, look at the back of it. You can see the newspaper writing. But this is a coupon for Life Cereal, 35 cents off. No expiration date, but no barcode. So I don't know if they would take it. I'm sure they should honor it. Because it says, you know, no expiration date. Oh, this is funny. 15 cents off. Some oatmeal, 15 cents off. These aren't, oh, look at this one. Look at this one. 12 cents. 12 cents off.
Hey, Mama. Later, can I tell you something?
Tell me something. Well, don't tell me now. I'm making a video.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said.
This is insane. Oh my gosh. And there's so many. Like, I will be doing this. I'm going to have to, like, save this for a summertime project.
Wait.
What?
Hey, do you guys want to see my background?
Oh gosh. That's creepy. Alright. Okay. I can't go through all these. It's just... look at this. This is a good coupon. Okay. I don't even know what's on here. So this says cake frostings. Cakes and frostings. Duncan Hines. 75 cents off when you buy 2. No expiration date. I have not seen icing coupons in forever. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at this one, Hannah. Pillsbury frosting, 30 cents off. No expiration date. And there's like a ton. There's like a whole stack of them. This is amazing. Amazing! I love how she has them organized with little cards, little, you know, indexes in there. Coffee and creamer. This is so cool. What's in this one? You know what I want to find coupons on? Cleaning products. That would be insane. Because that's like my #1 thing I coupon. There's so many bags. This is more like food stuff. What's in here? Oh my gosh. There's something in here. Did I drop something, Hannah? Oh, that was you. Pick that up, please. I think this is... There are some expiration dates on these. But I've never seen anything like this. I think these may be coupons that that expire soon, but I've never seen anything like this before. Like, I've been couponing forever, and this coupon is, like, really glossy. There's a lot of these. Nothing really that I would use. But, and that one there, but these actually have expiration dates on these, but I don't know what that is. Hair care products. Shay.
I ain't gonna stop. Oh, recording?
Yes, look at this. This is insane. Rebecca, Mark's sister, sent me this whole 13-pound box of coupons with no expiration dates. There's no expiration dates on these. All these coupons, 13-pound box.
Wow.
Sorry, I'll come help you.
No,
I'm almost done. I just want to look through this one.
I'm good.
Hair care products. This is what I wanted to see. I want to see something like this. Okay. Yeah, sit it right there. box. Move that box. There's nothing in there.
Because this is sliding off.
Oh, is that for church? Ooh, that smells good. White rain.
I love some white rain.
Look, 50 cents on some white rain.
Look, that's,
No expiration. That's good.
that's
50.
probably an old
What year do you think these are from? Look at this.
Perel.
Is that Prel?
Prel?
I never heard of that.
I don't think they smells good.
Pert.
I like it.
They got Pert Plus and stuff still.
I don't know if these coupons are going to work.
You don't think so? Hey, gotta slide on up there. Sister, gotta try it out.
There's a check by it.
I think she checked it. There was she had some kind of categorization thing. She has a bunch of checks by it.
These
Don't break my heart now.
these barcodes probably
The barcodes don't scan. If I find me some old,
you better manually take that 50 cent off.
you better check it off. That's a good coupon. I need that Prel shampoo.
I was going to call you to tell you I was coming. I ain't going to start.
No, we're fine. Everything in here is like Pret and Pert and Prel.
That is hilarious.
There's some Head and Shoulders in here, but it's like, where's the Head and Shoulders I just seen? Lift? What's a lift?
What is lift?
I think that's like a,
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my YouTube fans.
Oh, I guess we're talking to you.
We're talking, look at this Head and Shoulders. 25 cents off for Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders is expensive, so I don't know if I'll even be using that barcode. That is so cool. Ah!
Does it? It don't even have a barcode.
Yeah, on the back.
Oh.
We just found a bunch of cereal coupons for 50 cents off, and I'm like, that's good, because sometimes I can't even get a 25-cent coupon for cereal. Anyways, alright, so I'm going to make another video, not today, and I'm going to go in the store.
I want to see her trying to
You
use
want to see? Try to use these coupons from, like, what do you think these are, from the 70s or something, the 80s?
Well, I would say maybe 80.
Maybe 80s?
Yeah.
She's got them so organized in bags with, like, little labels.
That's awesome.
13 pounds of coupons. Cannot wait. It's funny seeing this stuff.
Who said you got Mark's sister?
Mark's sister, her friend passed away, who was an extreme couponer, and she loved coupons and always talked about
How many
coupons.
years ago did she pass away?
She just passed away.
Oh,
She just passed away. All right, guys. So when I make the video of me going to the store trying to use these coupons from the 80s, we think, then I will let you know. So until then, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and tell me if you've ever used any no expiration date coupons in the comments. Let me know if it's worked for you guys. All right. See you guys. Bye.